For today's creative brief, we want you to explore gender through the power of makeup. We want to see kings, queens, and everything in between.
Drag is all about creating art through gender and transformation. And that's what I'm looking for.
The look I'm kind of planning today is quite a personal one. I'm trying to create a look that I wanted to achieve when I first started questioning my own identity. It's kind of like how I wanted to look then, but couldn't look because I didn't have the skills.
For his personal drag story, Ellis will only be using the primary colours of red, yellow and blue.
The reason I'm going to go with the primary colours is that you have to mix them together to get any colour you want. The primary colours represent me at the start of my gender journey. I had all the elements, but I just didn't know how to use them or mix them together. I just want the judges to really see that I haven't just thought about it on a literal level, I've actually taken it to an emotional level and really created something that means a lot to me. Now look towards me, leave your eyes down. Perfect.
Ellis is definitely in his element. He knows what he's doing with the techniques. The color story is great so far.
I am living for that eye.
I'm loving what I'm seeing. It's great blending skills. He's feeling very confident. He's enjoying himself. He's cruising through it.
Oh my God. You actually look like a drag queen.
MUAs, you've got 10 minutes.
I think this one, and then Mesa, I think.
I quite like it with a wig on.
Just looks dry. Look in the mirror. We're finished. He's now a she. I'm really happy with how it's turned out, so I'm literally just going to leave it now.
MUAs, you have 1 minute.
People are either going to get it or not.
30 seconds. Time's up. Brushes down.
I absolutely bleep, bleep, bleep love it. I think it's brilliant. I love the way you've masked the brows. It's very modern, it's very fresh.
I love colour theory, I love colour, and the fact that you've referenced the idea of primary colours within this and how it actually links to something really personal, just beautiful. Well done.
Thank you.
It's stunning. I love everything about this. It's the perfect marriage of drag and beauty makeup, too.